Hi guys, welcome to a new video, and today we're playing Big Scary. Yes, you heard that right, Big Scary. It's a very popular roll tag fighting game. And it's showing public lobby. Okay guys, we're in a public server. Let's head on down to level 1. Hey guys, how do you beat level 1? Oh, can you take me through level 1? Can you take me from through level 1? Can one of you take me to level 1? Can you take me through level 1? Can any of you help me in level 1? Can anyone of you help me in level 1? Can you take me through level 1? I'm gonna go check out the flamethrowers first. Oh, how do you use this, bro? Okay. We're not doing that again. I really need someone to help me in level 1. You fire! This music is fire, bro. Yeah, can one of you guys help me in level 1? Can you help me in level 1? Can you help me in level 1? Please, can you help me in level 1? Pardon? Okay, let's go. M. I have never played this game before. Let's go. Hello. The mods are working. Okay. I'm still here. I'm just playing Big Scary with some random people. Yeah? Ah! Yes. Okay, call me when you're done. Bye. What's that, bro? So, my friend. Yo, guys. Level 3. Let's go. Find the wheel. Alright. I will find the wheel. I think it's this way. Nope. I'm going back to my friends. You guys know where the wheel is? Ah! Guys, where did you go? Guys, wait for me. Guys, wait for me. Ah! Guys, you know where the wheel is? Ooh, ah, ooh, ah, The wheel! Yes, finally! Quickly! Which one, guys? Maybe yes or no? Doom, 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 doom. Ah! Ah! Yeah! I died. Help! Whee! Bro needs some cough sweets. Yeah. You now have 2 bananas. I don't know what that means. Well, your friend. We're cornered, bro. We're cornered. It's probably gonna be this way, isn't it? Okay, bro. Oh! Oh no! Where's the door? No! Tell me, what am I supposed to do here? Alright, give me the silent treatment then. Probably went to 5, didn't I? I think that's the level we were on. What happened to his friend? Well, I guess that's gonna be it for today's video. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this banger video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye! I'm coming to your household.